Hello everyone, welcome back in this channel. So in this tutorial, we are going to learn more about how to bold a cell that is in Microsoft Excel. So basically you bold an entry in a cell to emphasize it or to make it outstanding from the rest of the worksheet. So you're going to do it practically so you can follow my pointer. So for example, if you want to bold the entry in this cell, that is cell A1, whereby the entry, it is the name, it is the word name. So what you're supposed to do is to make the cell active by left clicking once. As you can see here on the perimeter of this cell, there is the green coloring region, meaning that you have made this cell active. So the next thing to do is, you can follow my pointer, the next thing to do is to click on the bold button. So you're going to left click once. As you can see here, the word name, it is now in bold form, meaning that you can see it is even much easier to read because you have emphasized it. So we can do it, we can do another practical. For example, if you want to bold the entry in this cell, that is cell B1. It is cell B1 because, as you can see, these are the rows whereby it is A, B, C, D, and D. And these are the columns whereby it runs from 1 to 11. So this is cell B1 because it is at row B and at column 1, meaning that this is cell B1. So to make it active, what you're supposed to do is to left click once on that cell. As you can see, there is a green coloring region at the perimeter of this cell, meaning that it is the active cell. So after making that cell active, the next thing to do is to click on the bold button. So you're going to left click once on the bold button. As you can see now, it is now in bold form. We have emphasized it. You have made it stand out from the rest of the worksheet. So we can still do it on chemistry. So we are going to left click once. So this is cell C1. As you can see at the row, it is at C, and then at the column it is at 1, making it cell C1. So what you're supposed to do is to make it active. As you can see, there is a green coloring region at this cell, at the perimeter of this cell, meaning that it is the active cell. So the next thing to do is to click on bold button. So you're going to left click once on the bold button, and then definitely you can see it is now in bold form. So we can still do it on biology and geography by following the same procedure. First of all, make the cell active, that is cell D1, and then click on the bold button. You can still do it on geography, so you're going to left click once. So this is cell E1, meaning that it is at row E and at column 1. So after making the cell active, click on the bold button. You're going to left click once. So we can still do, we are going to now bold the contents in cell B11. So B11, it is this cell because it is at row B and at column 11. So this is cell B11. So you are going to left click once so as to make it the active cell. And then you're going to click on the bold button. So a question may arise on how you can remove the bold format. So what you're supposed to do is to left click once, ensure that that cell that you want to unbold, it is the active cell. So as you can see, this is the active cell. It is cell B11. So what you're supposed to do is to left click again on the bold button so as to remove the bold. So you're going to left click once. As you can see here, we have unbolded the entry in this cell. So we can still do it in another way. For example, this was the bold cell, that is cell B11. So we can still use the undo button to remove the bold. So you can follow my pointer up here. This is the undo button. So you are going to left click once, and definitely you're going to remove the bold action in that cell. So basically that is how you can bold a cell in Microsoft Excel. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and if you are new in this channel, remember to subscribe, comment, share, like, and also hit on the notification bell so that you'll always be notified on our new uploads. Thank you.